You just landed in an Igbo land and your bestie hands you a plate of Oha soup with fufu. Your life will never remain the same again. In this video, we're going to be looking at Igbo cultural food. Guy, these foods don't just fill you, they hit your soul. Let's talk about Abacha, also known as African salad. Abacha is like the OG healthy snack. It is made from cassava, which is mixed with palm oil, onions, pepper, and garden egg. Now, you can either decide to eat with coconut or you can flex it with Akpu Pounded Yam, which is the garden egg leaf. Abacha screams fitfam, but still cultural. It is that salad that will not judge you. What about Okpa? Okpa is that food that humbles everybody. It is made from Bambara nuts, flour, palm oil, and it is wrapped in leaves. But these days, you can see people wrap it in nylon. It is called Okpa Dioko for a reason. Because once you taste it, no other snacks exist. Let's talk about Igbo soups. Igbo soups are not regular at all. They give this main character energy. Egusi soup. Egusi soup. It is thick, tasty, and basically everybody's favorite soup. It is made out of egusi seeds and cooked with any vegetable of choice. It is giving comfort food vibes. Onugbu soup, aka bitterleaf soup. It is bitter but yet bougie. It is made with cocoyam, ede, and the star ingredient of the soup, the bitter leaf. Oha soup. It is made with the rare Oha leaves, exclusive, limited, and giving every single thing it is meant to give. Ofe nsala, that delicious soup that our ancestors cooked when they had no palm oil, and it is still banging today. Ofe akwu, made from the legendary palm fruits. This food can be eaten with either rice or swallow. Once you have a taste of ofe akwu, aka banga soup, you will understand that God is good. Igbo soups don't just feed you. They gaslight you into forgetting that you have a problem. Kedu maka akpu, the G that pulls up to every party, aka fufu. We are not done yet though. Ukwa, aka breadfruit. Ukwa, that porridge that slaps far more than Netflix spoilers. It is made from breadfruit seeds and it is cooked just the way you cook beans, but with a little paparazzi because you have to add uba inside of it. Igbo foods are not just food, they are real organic. I mean pure organic. Not the overpriced versions though. I mean the medicinal herbs, the fresh veggies and all. That is why our Igbo men are very strong. And our Igbo aunties, they be looking 30s at 50. Try out Abacha, Egusi, and any of the Igbo dishes. You understand why one plate can make someone start claiming Omo Igbo. Like, share, subscribe, and be a part of this family. This is Learn Igbo with Naza. Ngano guys, bye.